Hey everybody. Today I'm joining my sister in the garden, whole new perspective on sourdough starter. How many of y'all are out there making sourdough? And have you ever did a starter? So what I did back in 2020 was I did a starter, but I wanted to preserve my starter. And here, see, that's what I have. Can y'all see it? What I did was I smeared it on some parchment paper and dried it out and just stored it in the freezer. So this is 2025. And I'm about to show you how I reconstructed it back. So y'all see those bubbles? Look pretty nice, don't it? And I could tell it went, let me take this off, that it went higher by, you see that? It's like a residue of how far it went. That's how it looked. Can you see it? So one thing that I learned is, okay, you could weigh it on the scale, but this is the thing. So whatever you use, if you use 1 tablespoon, a half a cup, or whatever measurement you start with your starter, you want to use either 1 times that with 1-to-1 ratio of flour and water, and you could do, say, a half a cup, and you could do 2 half a cups of flour, 2 half a cups, which is a 2-and-2 ratio. Or you could use a half a cup and 3 half a cups of flour and half a cup of water, which is a 3-and-3 ratio. And people who have done this, they understand. I'm only using a tablespoon, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. Now, I did a experiment on a tablespoon of starter to 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of water, and I didn't get that much reaction. So what I did was I tried the 2-to-2 ratio. So I did 1 tablespoon of starter and 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of water. And it was okay, but it wasn't that. So this is the 3-to-3 ratio. I did 1 tablespoon of starter to 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of water. And I'm only assuming that the 1-to-1 ratio and the 2-to-2 ratio just wasn't enough food to get my starter active. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do it. This is a tablespoon. I have a little spatula to get it out. Okay, I pre-registered or measured, I said registered, measured 3 tablespoons of flour. So I'm gonna add that. So I rinsed off my tablespoon. And I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of water. And I know sometimes it's a give or take. So if you see it's a little dry, just add a little bit more. But not a lot. So that's my 3 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to just stir it up. Try to get the sides so I know when it start going up, I could, you know, tell the difference. And see, it's a little dry to me, so I'm going to just add a little bit more. So that's 3 tablespoons and a teaspoon. And that's it. You just let it sit. Clean the sides off a little bit. And I'll put my filter paper on. And check it tomorrow. I like to put the rubber band on too at the bottom, just to see where it was and where it's going to end up. So there you have it. Thank you, Crystal, at Whole New Perspective. Y'all go check her out. But this is my sourdough starter. Y'all have a blessed day.